Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the home screen style on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to home screen. Now from here, if you tap on home screen layout, you can change the home screen layout from the app drawer to home screen only. Now if you tap on apply, you will disable the app drawer on your smartphone. Just like that. And also from here, if you tap on home screen grid, you can change the grid size from 4:6 to 5:6. Just like that. And also if you want to enable or disable swipe down for notifications panel, just go back to the settings app. And from here, just enable or disable swipe down for notifications panel. Now, if you enable swipe down for notifications panel, you can open the notification panel if you swipe down on your home screen. And if you want to disable swipe down for notification panel, just disable this toggle. And this is how you can change the home screen style on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.